What is feasibility study? See, feasibility study means whether the idea will be fruitful in nature or not. Means whatever the idea or approach that we make for a project or for a business concern, whether it will be given a better or perfect result or it will be something else. Okay, it analyzes various aspects just like technical condition of the business, financial prospects, commercial and other economical, socio-economic concept also. It can be defined as a control process for identifying problems and opportunities, determining objectives, describing the present situation concerned, defining successful outcome, and assigning the range of cost benefit associated with several alternatives for solving a problem. Okay, it can be said as a list in detail all things that need to be made in the business of our work is called a feasibility study. Okay, identify logistic and other business related problems and it identify logistic and other business related problems and solution. Okay, develop marketing strategies to convince a bank or investor and their business in worth considering the investment. It also serve as a foundation for developing a business plan. Okay, means what? Feasibility study helps to evaluate the business idea. It is a cost effective so that they can make effective so that they can make market their product and service profitability, most commercial space, lease agreement, place restriction on a business that can be dramatically impact of income. Okay, it's an agreement may limit the business hour, parking space, restrict the product or service that can be offered, and in some cases even limit the number of customer a business can receive each day. Okay, so feasibility study will help to identify this factor and take corrective action so that negative impact can be minimized. Okay, so it can be identified and take corrective action so that negative impact it's a kind of a impact that can help to minimize it. Okay, now next comes the market feasibility. This study include a description of market, a market of industry, current market, anticipate future market, potential market, sales promotion and potential buyer. So market is study about market feasibility. This study about a description of industry, current market, anticipate future position, what will the future position of the market, potential competition, what competition that we can face, sales projection. Okay, what the sale can be further in process, potential buyer, about the buyers, how the buyer can integrate. Okay, technical feasibility. This study can encompass the details of how to deliver a product or service, that is material, labor, transport, and where the business will be located, whether it is located located technologically near will be there, what whether it is located, what kind of raw material to be provided, transportation should be there. Next come financial feasibility. So this study project how much startup capital is needed, source of capital, return of investment, how much is capital to be required, source of capital, what are the available source of capital, return of investment, return. Okay, next come about organization feasibility. So this study defines the legal and corporate structure of the business and may also include professional background information about the founder and what skill they can contribute to the business. So this will define as a corporate structure of the business and include professional background of the information, means all the background of the information about the founder and what skill they can contribute to the business. Okay, means as a whole what we have studied about market feasibility, anticipate future market, potential customers, sales projection, potential buyers. Okay, technical feasibility, study about material, labor, transportation and where the business will be located technologically, how it will be needed. Okay, financial feasibility, this project study how much startup capital, how much startup capital is needed. Study how much startup capital, what will be the source of capital, how much startup capital will be needed, what will be the source of capital, what will be the return on the investment required. Organization fee, this define about the legal and corporate structure, about the corporate and legal structure of the business. Okay, may also include background information of the business, about the founder, what skill they can contribute, or what skill they can contribute regarding the business. Now feature of the feasibility study. Feasibility study is a process in which an idea is studied to see that can be how it that is how it can come, how it will work. Okay, feasibility study looks at the entire structure and need and corporation of the business. It looks the entire structure, need and corporation of the business. Okay, it's limit about feasibility look at the specific tasks, programs, ideas and information. Study about both side consideration, advantage, disadvantage and troubleshoot and potential problem. A feasibility study is not a business plan but serve as a foundation for developing a business plan. It's not a business plan, but it serves as a foundation for developing a business plan, a business problem. Okay. So feasibility study is not a market plan. It not a market plan, but studies market and market potential, and can be used to support or develop market plan. But it can be used to support and develop market plan. In addition to the business plan, an investor's leading institution may require the submission or feasibility study before considering the request of the capital. Means what? A feasibility study is the entire, these types of feasibility study you see here is the entire study about the what we study. We study market, we study technical feasibility, we study about the requirements. Technical means it could require raw material, technologically, transportation. We study the financial feasibility, means about the finance of the organization, how it can move up, or what will be the source of capital, what rate of return or investment we can get. Then it's study about organizational feasibility, background information, skill required that can contribute to the business. So this was all about what a feasibility study is.